Akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang. Yung si Roxy, guys.
Oh, Mama, just drive careful. We don't go bouncing around the car. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! Finally, meron tayong kasama sa breakfast. My baby! Matagal na kaming hindi nagsasama sa breakfast kasi kapag wala siya dito, diba, it's kakaiba. I'm always alone eating breakfast. So now I'm with my lalab. My baby na lalab. Lalab. Oh my God. So, kain lang kami. Pinagluto ko siya ng egg. Dalawa sunny side up. Hopefully, it's still up. And also, bread. And ako naman, guys, as usual, rice and egg. Ang gagawin ko lang is meron tayong coffee blanca na kape. So, yun. And, so yun. At nakalimutan ko na meron pala kaming appointment sa vet para sa dalawang aso. So, ang ginawa ko kahapon at kaninang umaga, yun, niready ko lang yung aso. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is i-harvest ko lang yung string beans kasi ang dami na pala. Ito yung maganda sa string beans kasi ang dami mong ma-harvest every time talaga, ang dami. So, hopefully, wala masyadong bubuyog. Ilagay natin ito dito. Diyan. Yun, guys, oh. Ang daming, ano dito. I-harvest na natin sila. Gusto ko ding malaman kung uulan mamaya. Kasi, tawag nun, yung shed doon is open. Saan ko kayo ilagay, be? Ilagay ko kayo sa galay. Galay nga nagbitay. Bitay nga nabitay. Ito siya. Dapat na itong ba? Ito, dito. Ang daming string beans ngayon, guys. Grabe. Na, ang saya kasi ang dami. At saka, nagtanim ako ng bago. Kahit August na. Yun. Lalaki yun. Ang dami. So, gagawin ko po itong bulang lang. Kasi si bulonglong. Bulang lang po ito, guys. So, yun. At saka marami pang mga bulak-bulak. So, yun o, marami pang mga maliliit. Kinuha ko na. Kasi, para talagang harvest natin ito. Dito. Dito. Ang dami, guys. Nagtatago yung iba. Nagtatago. Tago na talaga. Diba? Alam nyo bakit nakapag video tayo dito? Dahil Martes ngayon. Oops, nagtatrabaho yung mga kapitbahay. Nagtrabaho sila, so tingin-tingin tayo kasi baka may nakatingin. Sabihin nila, wow, yung kapitbahay natin baliw na. Nag-ano na ng kamera, kinausap na yung sarili. Ganon. Diba? Marami pa doon sa likuran, dyan sa likuran. At saka ang daming bubuyog. Grabe talaga ito. At saka ang daming mamang. Akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang. Uy, nako mga mamang, huwag niyong paakin yung bilat ko, ha? Huwag niyong paakin yung bilalat ko. Diyan nakabukaka pa naman ako. I guess I'm gonna pick some of them and ang dami. Ang dami. Masalat. String beans. Aray, sakitan. No, I think I did. You just crazy. They eat a lot. Kuha tayo doon. Meron na namang bunga. Oh, nag-harvest ako kahapon ng zucchini. Ngayon, meron na namang bunga. Diyan, oh. Meron na namang bunga. Mamamatay na sila. Malapit na mamatay. Kuha tayo ng ito. Yun. Nag-harvest din ako dito kahapon. Meron na naman, look. Bago. Okay. Oops, look. Merong malaki. Malaking-malaki. Saka yung kamatis, ang dami, oh. Malapit ng mahinog. Tingin tayo sa ilalim. Malapit na silang mamatay. Look, ang daming string beans, guys, oh. Meron tayong hinog na kamatis. Kamatis, hinog. Yay! Kunin natin yan bago mas mahinog ng sobra. At saka meron palang talong dito na malaki. Hindi ko man lang nakita. Ito, look. Malapit na itong mahinog. Look. May kumakain na naman. Kinukuha ko yung mga bagong tubo. Like this one. Yung mga tubo kinukuha ko. Saka meron tayong mga maliliit na kamatis. Look, cherry tomato. Look, yung sili natin, marami ng bunga. Look. Look, oh. Maraming bubuyog din. Ang daming bunga ng atsal natin. Look. May kumakain. Hala! Andun talaga. Aray, ginoo. Ito yung sinabi ko na green. Andito talaga kinain yung mga talong ko. Animal kayo, ha? Ito, oh. Ito, itapon ko nga ito sa malayo, be. Ito. Look, oh, kita ninyo green. Itapon ko yan, guys. Kasi yun yung kumakain ng mga ano ko, pananim. Talagang buhay na to. Ito pala yung kumakain, oh. Tapon natin ito. Tapon. No, let me see. Come on, let mama see. What happened over here? Let mama see your paw. Come on. Show me your paw. I want to see. Did you hurt yourself? Oh my God, you hurt yourself. Come on, I'm sorry. Uy, nasaktan yung sarili niya. Nasamad siya. Why? Why you hurt yourself? Come on. Come on, let mama see. Come on, let me see. Come on, be a good girl. Oh my God, nasamad talaga siya. Uy, kadako ba, ani? Oh my God. Nasamad ang baby. Nasamad mo na, uy. That's why. You hurt yourself. What happened, baby? Oh my goodness, nasamad mo na, uy. Oh my God. I feel so bad with Roxy. Look, I know she can feel. Like her mother? She can feel the pain, hun, because she kind of.
Like your mama.
My baby. Did you hurt yourself, love? Oy? It's painful. Yes, you can feel the pain, huh? It's opened up, huh? Punta kami ng vet para sa dalawang aso. So, I guess they're gonna do that thing that they will pick it up in the car, huh?
Same as when we used to take them. We take them, they call one in and we sit in the waiting room with the other.
It's better when they separated, huh? Because they bark a lot when together.
Well, they're not gonna take them in together, apparently.
Look, I put something, guys, kasi my baby Rorox is in pain. My baby. Ah, this is the bending part here.
Yes, that's what I said. You said, oh, you can't walk or whatever.
Oh, my baby.
You can't walk, you can't.
Pinagtawanan ako ni Tommy, guys, dahil nirap ko daw yung legs niya. Look. Dada's making fun of me, Rox. I'm playing nurse, not an...
regular animals do it. They walk on ice, snow, deep grass, woods.
Well, she is my baby.
Rock, everything is only with what God gave them. But what? I don't know how to do it without your mama.
I'm just being a mama. I take care of my baby wounded.
I can look at her face. See how well that's going.
She's really unhappy. I will take it off before we go to vet, okay? You know why? Because I don't want the vet laughing at me. Okay?
Another trait you get for your mama. Ay, 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 ay.
Aww.
That's right. You know you could always come here and be lovey-doveyed. You know that, right? Whenever you need some love, you know you always come here.
Mistis, ayaw lumabas nandun sa loob. Sobrang init sa labas. The humidity out here, Roxy, I know. Ay, yes, dalhin na naman yung aso sa vet. Ang problema nito, no, kapag dalhin sila, no, ma-stress ako. Kailangan ilagay dito. Kasi ayaw kong masira itong upuan.
Come on, up you go. Good girl.
Hold on, honey. Okay.
Oh, we get to go for a ride. I know, it'd be more exciting if we were going to a park or something. Your mama never want to take you. I tell her, but she never want to take you.
Okay, close it?
Yep.
Okay, we're good, we're good. Let's go, let's go. Don't jump rocks, huh?
She's not going to jump up.
Don't jumpy. Hello, babies. Tignan niyo si Roxy, guys.
Tell Mama, just drive careful and we don't go bouncing around the car. Quiet.
No, forget that.
Quiet.
It's the ice. Misty shaking. Wait. She's jumping. Gonna see with you. Yeah. Hula, 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 hula. Lagyan ko lang sila ng color. Kasi ito sila, guys, mga Tagaw. Kung sa Bisaya pa, mga Tagaw. Come here, Tagaw. Roxy Tagaw, come here. What?
Roxy the gal. Roxy the gal.
No, Roxy is very like...
Tagaw. It's nothing. You go in there, you get your shot, you go for 3 years.
What? Oh my goodness, you're gonna ruin my freaking thing. What do you say? Hi. Look, Misty, guys. For a long time, huh, Misty? It's been a long time, huh? My God, nabungol jud ko ninyo.
They asked me if I have Roxy to us.
Huh?
They may want to bring both of them. They say, oh,
I give up na, guys. Tignan nyo tong... Ayaw makinig kasi. Roxy, I give up on you. I told you. There's a lot of dogs over there. Naghihintay na lang kami ng mga tawagan kasi magti-text pala dito, guys. Text pala. I-text sila or tawagan. So, hintay lang kami kung kailan kami kunin. Okay, guys, tignan nyo tong dalawa, guys. Nakakaloka kasi hindi ako nakasama doon. Hindi ako nakasama sa loob kasi bawal magsama ng dalawang tao. So ngayon, sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya, andito na si Tami. So, Anyway, so hindi ako nakasama. So si Tami lang. Itong si Roxy, maluwag pala yung ano niya, leash. So ngayon, nakawala si Roxy guys. So nag-alala tuloy ako dahil nakawala talaga si Roxy. Si Tami naman, nakita ko kasi si Tami parang tumatakbo. So kinukuha niya si Roxy. Sus, nakakaloka. Muntik na akong na heart attack. At ang dami pa namang sasakyan dito kasi highway. And then injectionan sila ng 3. So ngayon si Tami na lang tignan natin kung anong klaseng injection yun. Kawawa naman ito, oh. Kawawa naman. It's okay, we have air conditioning. We have our air conditioning. Who wants to do something? Do you guys want some? We're gonna go get some bikini and bikuna. How much?
Too much.
Huh?
Too much.
How much? 600?
Yeah, 1,100.
Holy shit.
Almost 1,200.
Why?
So I'm trying to find out. Let's see, this
I
is...
told you.
This is...
What is that senior? Can you ask him?
Well, I know they did a senior care test on them, but you know...
What is that all about?
Just as they get older, they check for things that...
No, but they cannot just do it.
I know, that's between them. That's like $550 for the 2 of them for senior care crap.
No, you cannot. They cannot do it without our...
Well, they did it. They said that, they could run a senior test on them. I'm like, all right, so what's a senior test? Exactly what that means, I don't know.
Yeah, but my God, you cannot just do it, and you have to ask the price. Okay,
all right, we'll get you guys a burger because I told you I would.
Yeah.
It was funny. We're walking. They're very happy to walk to the building.
Yeah.
As soon as the door opened, they started pulling backwards.
Really, both of
them? As soon as that door opened, and Roxy's head came right out of the thing, and she just came right back towards the car. Said, yep, I'm out of here. I said, Misty, you're on your own. And too bad for you.
So now what are we gonna do with that expensive shit? You have to cover it. You put the money that I give you plus an additional for... Seems like it's gonna be 1,100. It's
very close to 1,200.
Close to 1,200. That means 60,000 pesos. Ang mahal. Ang daming bayaran, guys. I told you it's gonna be crazy because this vet, they're just gonna keep checking it without your knowledge how much the price is.
Well, now you can't go up to the desk and sit and talk to them, nothing.
Seriously, the dog in the Philippines with no injection, they survive longer and even there's no food. The dog over
That's
here.
another thing they said. They gotta lose a little weight.
Lost a little weight, Roxy.
Misty, they said you gotta cut her back by 1/3 of her food. And Roxy by 1/4. Yeah, the trees could definitely have an issue.
Oo. Anyway, sabi pa nila, ito daw dalawa, kailangan mag-diet. Ay, si Roxy, okay naman si Roxy. Misty, are you okay? Oh my God, si Misty. Oy, what is happening with my little Misty? Kailangan niyang mag-diet daw. Misty ni diet. Kasi she is fat. Oh my God, what's wrong with her? Si Roxy daw nag-gain ng 4 pounds. Pero si Misty daw tumaba ng tumaba. Malaki naman talaga si Misty, guys. Pero talaga malakas kumain si Misty. Oh, Dada's here. Do it in the house, hon.
I think we take him to the park or somewhere.
Park? So you say we're going home. They're stressed already. Can you put that over there? Okay. We're going home. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Really? Neither one of you want a French fry?
Hon, they don't wanna. If it's fresh, they don't wanna eat. Hold on, guys. And they don't. Oh God, your hard head like.
Well, she came sniffing, so.
We're going home. We're bringing you home.